Hey, this is Ed, your landscaping coach. And I haven't done an episode of landscapes going bad in a long time, but this warrants a video. This is a postal station here in Southern California. I'm not going to go into a lot of details of which one it is. I'm just going to show you how nasty this place looks. This is coming into the parking lot area here, and this is leading up to the front of the post office here. So you have all these weeds that are growing, and they spent money on doing a drought-tolerant and water-conserving landscape here. And what you can say is, like, all these weeds and all these other things in here. There's a kangaroo paw that's sticking his head up out of there. And there's, I think that's a leucanthia back there. But there's native plants. There's a pollen-producing right there. But there's native plant material that's scattered up in here. But we have a situation where there's no maintenance. You have this jacaranda tree that's dropped all this nice, beautiful purple flowers. And you got pollen-producing that's surviving without any water, pretty much. I'm pretty sure there's no water in this site. Kangaroo paws looking really good. They would look even better if they had some maintenance and care. And this red, I forget this is fountain grass. And you got a volunteer tree there. I forget what they call that, but those things come up everywhere here in Southern California. But here is a lot of Bermuda and stuff that was probably in here before. They probably had a Bermuda lawn up in here. But yeah, but this is what you got to look forward to when you come to this post office, is this mess of all these weeds and stuff like that. You got noxious weeds, they go on the seed. So what's going to happen is all these weed seeds are going to be all over the place. So there'll be a lot more weeds all over the job site or the project site. You have a dry stream bed that you can't see anything up in here. So there's no character. This place is a complete mess. So I'm gonna speak with the manager of the post office. I just happen to be over here at to drop something off at the post office. So I'm gonna ask her and inquire about it and find out if they budgeted for any kind of maintenance for this particular site. And if not, I'm going to encourage you that maybe you should. And I have some landscape maintenance buddies that will be more than happy to come over and clean this thing up and maintain it. But I just want to show you, this is a landscape that is that's out of whack. Be sure to put in the comments what you think about this type of landscape. Would it bother you, or it's not a big deal? All you want to do is mail your mail. Drop me a note in the comments and tell me what you think. And stay tuned for other episodes of Landscapes Gone Bad.